Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to Adventures in Camping. Today, we're going to be doing Boy Scout double floor lashing. Stick with me. Oh, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell, and you'll get notified when I put out a new video, all right? Oh, by the way, give me a thumbs up, please. I'd really appreciate it, and if you have any ideas, tell me in the comments. All right, thanks. Stick with me, we'll get right to it. We're starting with a clove hitch. I'm going to tie my clove hitch, and you want the standing end of the rope on the inside. Now, once you have your clove hitch, you're going to bring this up, bring that up, and then you're going to twist it around the main line. Okay? Then you're going to bring that over this first stick. Somebody like to call them a floor spar. Well, I'm not that technical, okay? It's a stick. Now, you're going to go up, over, down, back up, bring the next one in, over, down, back up, bringing that loop back up around, and down, and keep them tight. Have best results when they're tight and neat. Up, over, down, and around. Up, up, over, down and around. 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 Let's get another stick. Up, over, down and around. All right, and we end it with 2 half hitches. There's a 1. And there's a 2. A half hitch for me and you. There you go, 2 half hitches. And there you go. Double floor lashing, Boy Scout style, with a little singing just for you. And our 2 half hitches. There we go, 2 half hitches. All right, till next time, please subscribe, come back, and I'll have something else for you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for that thumbs up that you haven't given me yet, that I know inevitably you eventually will. And y'all come back now, you hear?